Good morning. Good morning, my little Suri. Good morning. Okay, go poop poop. Go poop poop for mommy. Try. Try. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. What a good girl. Good morning. Alright, let's see. Mimi Bird. Good morning, my Mimi Bird. Come on, step up. She wants to sleep in. It's too early, Mommy Bird. I know. Go poop poop, Mimi Bird. Try. Good morning. Good morning. Try and you can sleep in a little bit more. Mommy needs to sleep in a little bit more too. I love you. Sorry I woke you up, huh? Alright, go poop poop and then you can go back to bed. Try. You need to stretch. Does my Mimi Bird need to stretch for a minute? Okay, there you go. What a good girl. Good morning. Okay. Let me go in here. All right. What a good bird. Go poop poop in the toilet.